OpenAI's Codex just got a massive speed upgrade. Cerebras, the company with chips the size of dinner plates, just showed off their integration with GPT 5.3 Codex, and the results are insane: 9 seconds to build a working snake game, compared to 43 seconds on regular GPUs. This is OpenAI's first production deployment on non-NVIDIA silicon. Let me break down exactly what this means for AI coding agents. For those who don't know, Cerebras makes the world's largest computer chip. While NVIDIA's H100 is about the size of a credit card, Cerebras's WSE3 is literally the size of a dinner plate. 900,000 AI cores on a single wafer. They've been known for training models, but this announcement shows they're going after inference too. And not just any inference. They're generating over 1,000 tokens per second. That's roughly 10 times faster than traditional GPU setups. Let's break down what we're seeing in this demo. On the left, we have standard GPT 5.3 Codex running on OpenAI's NVIDIA infrastructure. On the right, GPT 5.3 Codex Spark, the same model but running on Cerebras hardware. Both are given the identical task: build a simple HTML snake game from scratch. The agent needs to create 3 files: index.html, style CSS, and script.js, implement keyboard controls, scoring, and collision detection. While the regular version is still preparing files, the Spark version has already finished and the snake game is actively running. Now you might think, does a few seconds really matter for coding? Absolutely yes. When you're using AI coding agents like Codex, Claude Code, or Cursor, you're not running one request. You're running dozens, sometimes hundreds of requests in a single session. The agent reads files, writes code, runs tests, fixes errors, and iterates. If each request takes 43 seconds instead of 9, that's the difference between a 5-minute task and a 25-minute task. And when you're in flow state building something, those delays kill momentum. Faster inference means more iterations, which means better code, faster. Cerebras's advantage comes from their architecture. Traditional GPUs need to move data between chips and memory constantly, creating bottlenecks. Cerebras puts everything on one massive chip. The memory sits right next to the compute cores. For inference workloads where you need rapid back and forth, this architecture eliminates the latency that normally slows things down. The WSE3 has 4 trillion transistors and 44 gigabytes of on-chip RAM. There's no memory wall to hit, no data shuffling between devices. This partnership signals something bigger. The AI coding agent wars are heating up. We've got Anthropic with Claude Code, OpenAI with Codex, Cursor, Klein. Everyone's building agents. But the bottleneck isn't the model quality anymore, it's the speed. Whoever can run the most iterations fastest wins. Cerebras just gave OpenAI a major advantage. This is the first time OpenAI has deployed production workloads on non-NVIDIA silicon. That's huge. It shows the GPU monopoly is finally cracking. Expect NVIDIA to respond aggressively. If you want to try Codex with Cerebras Spark, check the link in the description. OpenAI is offering 2 times rate limits through April 2nd. This is the kind of infrastructure upgrade that changes how we build software. Not new capabilities, but the same capabilities delivered 5 times faster. Subscribe for more AI coding news. I cover the tools that actually matter for developers. Drop a comment if you've tried Codex Spark and let me know if you notice the speed difference.